So we are down here in Coral Gables. I don't know why my exposure's off, but I just wanted to show you that South Miami is actually where the money resides. Coral Gables has a higher average price point and average income than South Beach. I'm gonna figure out my exposure and I'm gonna come on back and I'm driving on this lovely Coral Gables street with the exposure too high. And I'm gonna figure this out and show you these humongous houses like that. We fixed our exposure, we good. So I'm down here in Coral Gables and I just wanted to show you that this is the place with the money. Okay, this is the highest average price point, the highest average income, higher than South Beach. Okay, how beautiful is that? That's so nice. I had to make sure I wasn't under attack. You know you gotta be careful when you vlogging places. But look at these houses, bro. Look at that. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. So down. Respect the signs. How friggin' cool. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm not gonna vlog down this entire street because this is very residential. Okay, here we go. We look both ways. We can drive. But oh, piece of art. Let me just give you. And that is my little mini tour of Coral Gables. Plenty more to see, but I'm not gonna record this entire street. These people deserve privacy. Look it up. Call me, the investment property gurus. Let's look at properties and let's get you the best investment. Oh, fun fact, investment opportunity. UM medical campus is down here, and those med school students and parents, they're not trying to live in no dorm. Well, I like the Power 12 girls house. They're not trying to live in no dorm. You know what I'm saying? Opportunity. They're not trying to live in no dorm. They are trying to live in, you know, something nice and decent, what they used to at home. So luxury rental housing. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. New construction, new development. Coral Gables. It's the place to invest. I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to lead you to the water. Call me. Let's figure it out. Alright, this is a new block and a good opportunity to show you the difference of Coral Gables real estate compared to other places you may see. Look at this sign. It's very nice. Beautiful. Okay, here we go. See how the little signs are like on the corner there? That's nice. Look at that. Well, nice buildings. The multifamily are actually interior halls. Like, it's not like you got the out, like, you know what I'm saying? You would think it's just a big house and then you go inside multifamily. Damn. Here goes some commercial. And let's start recording because people on the streets and deserve privacy. I guess I could, you know, you look on my face real quick. I'm about to turn and let you look at them buildings over there so you can see the architecture. The architecture. Let's do it safely. There's a car. Okay. You see the architecture. Okay. Sorry, it's tight. You had to see this beautiful building with a tree in it. There's a tree in the building. How nice. We're waiting on safety. And then we about to get out. And I'm gonna show you some Coral Gables. Ooh, a Cullinan. Look at that. That's nice. That joker, that's nice. Okay. Dang, Coral Gables busy? Let me tell you something. I'm telling you, this is where the money at. I gotta pay for parking. You gotta pay for parking out here. I'm going in. Not that building. Damn, that building's taller than I thought. Damn. Honestly, I think I'm going to that building all the way down there. Parking is just that crazy. Right, let's try it. Oh, that was my chance. Oh, Coral Gables. Coral Gables real estate. It's a glorious day in Coral Gables. All right, let's make a parking. All right, so it took me so long to find parking. I ended up parking way back there. And the building I gotta go to. Okay, well, it's that one. And I'm a little slightly salty that a parking just opened up right in front of the building I was going to. Huh. Well, wow, there's so much parking in front of the building I was trying to go to. That's crazy. Well, let's run up because my parking payment is still pending. I don't know what that's about. Hopefully, I can drop this key off and get back out here while it's still pending. Shit. Alright, let's cut through right here. This is definitely probably jaywalking. What can we do when you're trying to race the process? Racing the process. Here we go. We at Coral Gables. Elevator. Boom. Close it. We going up to drop off the keys. Let's check. Let's check our parking. Let's check our parking. See? I'm trying. It's evidence. Alright, here we go. This is not the second floor. Okay, let's try this again. I ain't got time for this. So I can show timestamps. 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 Okay, I'm back on the first floor. Let me tell you something, Coral Gables. I drove 43 minutes from Homestead to get here. And I got another about 40-something minute drive back to Miramar. Okay? This how I end up not in the office. Stuff like this take up all my little mental energy. And I ain't got no energy to go to all the jealous. I ain't got no mental energy to do nothing else after that. Thank you. Second floor, finally. Alright, we sitting in our block. Okay, well at this point, I done dropped off the keys. The keys is dropped off. I'm gonna go ahead and, no, we're gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it pending so they can see now. They can see when we get back to the car just in case. Hey, come on now. Come on, brother. So we gonna break things with my jokes. On down to the car. We at the first floor. Let's jet, let's roll. We are racing the process. That's right. This can't be scamming. This is honest. We back. We back. The car that way. The car that way. That's right. Look at that. Ooh. Coral Gables real estate. Coral Gables architecture. Welcome to it. If you want to see it, call me. Come on down. Let's look at some residential or commercial spaces. You know, on the co-star style. Oh, wait a minute. Look at the bus. Look at the bus. Look at the trolley. Look at the trolley. It's a cute little trolley. Okay. This intersection right here. If that don't give you the feeling of culture, I don't know what does. Look at that, the car chilling safe, nobody buying, messing with it. It wasn't even far. Coral Gables. And this was my damn Coral Gables. That's it. We crossing the street and we going back to Miramar. That's right. Okay. I'm gonna witness if I get hit. Rise that Tesla can so fast and quiet. Oh shit, the scooter, don't get hit by the scooter guy now. Alright. Coral Gables real estate. The Cybex is a really good car seat. You must have one. Alright. That's right. Look at that. Coral Gables. Oh, shit, my window down. Yeah. I could have got that. This ain't no ticket. Ain't no problem. We made it. We made it. And guess what we get to do now? Kill his ass. Free parking. And that's my Coral Gables story. Look at this tiny Target. It's a tiny Target. That's it. That's a Target. A tiny Target. Coral Gables. View of the tiny Target. Tiny Target. Multifamily. Wow. Wow. Multifamily. Nice multifamily at Coral Gables. And I love these street signs. Little cute little on the ground street signs. I'll tell you something. This is a nice little area. You know what? I want to build a park. That's a vision of mine. I want to build a park. I'm inspired. Multifamily, nice multifamily here in Coral Gables. Look at that. Ooh, that ain't a T6 for you there. Let me tell you, Villa Majorca. I don't like to put people on camera without their consent. I like to respect people's privacy. Come on now, parking garage. Look at that. Ooh, let's talk about planning and zoning. Thing I want to show you about planning and zoning, and if you have a large or small lot and want to chase an idea, this building, big building, small lot, but if you can see, the parking is under the building. Excellent way to maximize space. You build it up, you can park under it. Build a parking garage. In Miami, especially if you're close to public transportation, you have to have, if I'm not mistaken, 1.5 parking spot per unit, unless you're near public transportation, like really close to it, like a train or a bus or something like that. So keep that in mind. We understand planning and zoning. We do commercial, the investmentpropertygurus.com, and I'm on the road to get my commercial certificate in 4 months. Let's do it.